take YouTube from us, but now they have to take TikTok. Guys, oh my gosh. Somebody send help. Send help for TikTok because they drowning. Welcome and hello, my name is Erica Rasha and I'm here to help you grow your business by helping you understand your audience. And today we're going to talk in this quick video about Instagram's new feature that's going to take over TikTok, Instagram Reels. Now, we talked in a previous video all about how Instagram is doing a new monetization process to pull creators from YouTube so that they can take viewers from YouTube. I'll link it in the cards above if you haven't seen that video yet. Check it out. But now Instagram's coming up with a new feature called Instagram Reels. And the reason why I'm dropping this video now, because it has been circulating for a few weeks, is because any day now Instagram Reels could be in the United States. It's said that Instagram Reels is supposed to hit the United States in the beginning of August. So any day now, any day. Instagram Reels, where you at? That's you? Where you at?
Where they at though?
So what is Instagram Reels? It's TikTok. That's exactly what it is. It's TikTok. It's 15-second videos just like TikTok, Vine, or whatever. And what you do is you upload them and it's how did they say it? It's a more engaging version of your story. But it's TikTok. So you're gonna be able to upload 15-second videos with music behind them and you can dance and things. Like if you're on Triller or Dub Smash or TikTok. That's all it is. It's TikTok. What is Instagram doing is taking all the popular platforms and throwing them on their platform. And I don't know if that's going to help Instagram or hurt them in the long run because it's going to be too much at one point. But we're not here for my opinion. We're just here to talk about Instagram Reels. So now Instagram Reels, they're going to show up under your story. So you'll have a row at the top that's all stories. And then your second row is all Instagram Reels. If I can find a screenshot online, I will upload that for you. And I know that this is a thing and that it's happening for real, and this just isn't speculation anymore. I like to follow some creators that are from all over the country, and one of the creators that I follow, she's been having them on her platform for a while now, at least a few weeks, and she did a whole screen recording of her phone on what it looked like and everything, and I knew it was real because I could see like the time, the date, and I could see them actually moving or whatever. I mean, if she did Photoshop that, she did that, and we need to give her an award. So I know that Instagram Reels is coming any day. Now, they're saying that Instagram Reels is perfect because TikTok is getting banned from several countries. We all know earlier this summer that we heard about TikTok getting banned out of India, I think. And so now they're like, well, if TikTok getting banned from different countries, this is the perfect time to jump on Instagram Reels. And honestly, they're putting this out because they see how great TikTok is doing and they want a piece of that pie. What have I told y'all? Every video I tell y'all, Instagram, YouTube, all after the coin. Facebook and Google are coming for the coin. They want them all. And so they seen TikTok doing its thing. I be on TikTok doing my thing. What song is that? Comment down below if you know the song. But they be seeing TikTok doing its thing and they're like, yo, people be on our platform anyway. And plus people take TikToks and upload them to Instagram anyway. So we might as well just come up with our own little thing about how to make that work. TikTok is more popular than ever. TikTok gained so many downloads due to Corona all in one quarter than any app has ever seen. TikTok has blown up and taken over every platform. You can find TikToks on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, on Twitter, every platform, on Pinterest, everything. So why not? And now that TikTok is getting banned, why not? Why not drop something that direct competition? And if we have learned anything from Instagram, we know they know how to steal some things and make them work. Just like how they took stories from Snapchat and filters from Snapchat. They seen people on Snapchat, they said, nope, we want that back, and they cleaned Snapchat out. So do I think Instagram Reels is gonna work? Yes. Am I for it? Not exactly. Also, don't forget, they're bringing out monetization too. So these Reels could really help y'all make some money off of Instagram. So many people are making thousands of dollars off of Instagram every day anyway. Now, y'all comment down below if you want me to drop a video on how you can make Instagram Reels when they do come work for you and your audience, because I will definitely be glad to make that video for y'all. Like this video if you're all for Instagram Reels. If you're like, oh, that's dope, I don't have to get a whole nother app or like TikTok, I can just get on Instagram Reels. Also, like this video if you don't like Instagram Reels, because it's not my fault. I don't want you to dislike this video. Okay, I gotta go finish finished watching P-Valley and I gotta go cook dinner, so I'm gonna just leave this alone. This is supposed to be a quick video, but y'all, let's talk in the comments. Hit me up, let me know what y'all are thinking. Make sure you subscribe to this channel as well. Also, coming up, I have a lot of videos on some great social media tips to help you grow your business and understand your audience, so make sure that you are subscribed and you turn your post notifications on. Now, have you seen this video? I suggest you check it out right now, and if you have, then YouTube suggests that you check this video out right here. Thank you for watching this video so much. I can't wait to see your business grow, especially with Instagram Reels.